If you are new to AI, start with these 7 terms before building any AI application. In this lesson, we will use a simple Python file to print an AI concept map. For example, AI model is the key, and the sentence after it is the definition. This Python dictionary stores each AI term as a key, and each explanation as the value. For example, AI model is the key, and the sentence after it is the definition. An AI model receives input and produces output. This is the basic idea behind many AI tools. Here, term means the AI word, and definition means the explanation. This loop goes through every AI term and its definition, then prints them one by one. Now I run the file, and Python prints the AI concept map in the terminal. The output shows each AI term followed by its definition. This is our first simple AI learning program. In the next lesson, we will compare an AI model, an AI API, and an AI application. Today, you learned 7 beginner AI terms and used Python to print a simple AI concept map.